How to hide the screen recording bar on iPhone. To get started, first of all, swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center and stop your screen recording. Now, go to your home screen and open the Photos app. From here, select the recording you just made. You will see the red recording bar at the top. To remove it, tap on the edit icon as shown. Then, tap on the crop icon at the bottom. Pinch and drag the frame to slightly cut off the top section of the video. Then, tap on Done at the top right corner. The video will be saved successfully. After it saves, the recording bar is hidden. This way, you can remove it from any screen recording you want. Following these steps, you can easily hide the screen recording bar on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.